Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to hide viewing the status on WhatsApp or viewing the WhatsApp story without the owner knowing. It is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the first step, my friend, which is to go to your WhatsApp account. After that, click on the three small dots above here, then click on Settings. After that, click on Privacy. Here you will find Message Reading Indicators. You will deactivate this feature, and thus the viewing of the status will be completed or hidden. When you watch a status or WhatsApp legend, a specific person will not know that. Also, when you read WhatsApp messages to a specific person, the blue mark will not appear to him, but this applies to both parties as well. When someone watches your status on WhatsApp, you will not know. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video hopefully.